Prosecuting cases of child sexual abuse takes a joint effort between law enforcement and the judicial system. Experts say it's a lot different from prosecuting other crimes simply because of the amount of evidence involved. In just the last year, Marshall County's legal system convicted at least 6 offenders of sexual crimes involving children. Fox 54's Caleb Aguayo shows us how various agencies work together to accomplish what they call proactive policing.
Cooperation among law enforcement agencies. That's something you often see on news and on social media, but how does it work? Here in Marshall County, it takes a lot of effort, especially when it comes to dealing with crimes against children. The Marshall County District Attorney's Office helps local police departments and the Sheriff's Office with warrants, sting operations, subpoenas, and getting various cases to a judge. This includes sexual crimes involving children, for which the county has seen multiple convictions in the last year alone. And that comes from a countywide effort among the DA's office, local law enforcement, and nonprofits designed to help gather interviews and forensic evidence. It takes all of these agencies working together to find a suspect, get that evidence, charge and arrest them, and prosecute them to the fullest extent of the law. According to local law enforcement, the more evidence they can gather helps protect children and keeps them from having to relive their trauma as a witness in court.
We try to make the case as solid as possible. We try not to put any more drama on the victim than we have to. We want to bring a case forward that's concrete, that is structurally sound. When we make the arrest, it does go to court. That individual looks at the evidence and say, you know what, I can't win that.
District Attorney Jennifer Bray describes some of the joint efforts that go into prosecuting these cases and the successes her office has had in recent months.
Together, we're a lot stronger than we are just by ourselves, right? I can't prosecute these people to the fullest extent without great casework by the investigators and law enforcement. And of course, law enforcement can't put them away forever without great work from our office. So we really can only finish the job and get the end result we all want, which is to protect our community and put child predators behind bars if we all do our job.
Bray says the main goal is to keep offenders off the streets and the children safe at home, free from harm. In Guntersville, I'm Caleb Aguayo, Fox 54 News.
Bray also explains that unlike drug trafficking, where offenders can get parole, there's no legal out for those convicted of child sexual abuse crimes, which often leads to harsher sentencing for people convicted of drug crimes.